So you're about to use your XHose. Let's run through some simple checks before we begin. First, check the washer is sitting correctly in the hose. Next, check the blue connector is attached to the other end and screwed on tightly. Your hose also has a safety valve which can be seen here. Make sure this is set to the off position before you begin. Now, screw your XHose onto the tap. In the unlikely event the tap does not screw on snugly, you may need to attach the adapter. Then, turn on the tap. XHose will expand as it fills with water. Once the hose is at full length, you can either attach one of your accessories and then unlock the safety valve, or if you don't have any accessories, you can remove the blue attachment and then unlock the safety valve to get the water flowing. Follow these tips to get the best out of your XHose. Make sure all screw fittings are secured and any attachments have clicked into the quick release fitting. Do not use a pressure washer with your hose. Do not use your XHose as a supply for drinking water. After using, turn the pressure release valve to closed and remove any accessories. Turn off the tap, then empty your hose by opening the release valve. When not in use, store your XHose indoors to protect it from adverse weather conditions.